Hi, I'm Steve Mandy, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can use water-soluble ink to enhance your images. It just kind of provides a depth to your image that you wouldn't get otherwise. It's really simple, so let's get started. So I'll start by just putting a couple of squiggles where the image is going to be with my water-soluble ink pen. And I grab some water and just outline it like that. It's going to take a while for this to bleed out and make its own little images. It seems to be done now. I can put in the overriding image over the top, leaving some of the image below to form part of a new image in total. A bit of the roots, structure, and that's my first tree done. And there's the second tree with just a stem. I'm making it much darker in the center because that's where it's going to be sort of most solid, but still keeping some of the smudge from the water to formulate the picture. And there you have it. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how you use coffee in your drawing and also show you a couple of techniques which are a little bit different from what you've seen today.